Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lelesdesigns. In this tutorial, I will show you how I made these Adidas sneakers. Now you could use the same process for any brand or design. I'm using a Barbie sneaker I purchased at Walmart. And if you want to save some money, you might check Goodwill, a garage sale, or maybe you already have a pair at home. You will need some Plasti Dip. I'll list a link down below where you can purchase it. It runs around $5. And let me tell you, this stuff is great. It's perfect for anything plastic or rubber. And after you spray it, it stays flexible and it won't crack. But be warned, it's addictive. Once you use it, you'll want to spray everything with it. Alright, I got my sneakers done. And I didn't spray inside too much in here. I did the edges. And I don't feel like you need to, but if you want to, go ahead. You will find the Cricut cutout for the sneaker in the description down below. Click Show More, then click Cricut Design Space Sneaker. If you have a different die cut machine, you will want to click the free SVG download. Choose Customize, and when you click on the cutout, you will notice it's attached. Don't detach it, and I'll show you why when we press it. Choose Make It, and you don't have to mirror. I will use a heat transfer vinyl. It will stick better than vinyl. Remove the backing from your heat transfer. Cut straight across like I did here. You will notice I have a blank space on each side of the heel. I did this so you can hold the strip in place without getting burnt by the iron. Wrap your strip around the sneaker. If you see any lifting, you can place the clear plastic backing on or use some parchment paper and press again. Place the stripes on an angle. Then grab a marker and mark a line where you're going to cut. We are done. We just transformed these sneakers from plain old orange to a nice pair of Adidas sneakers. You know, you could also use the same process to make other designer sneakers. And you're not just limited to Barbie. This will work for any doll. I would love to see what you guys come up with, so please send me a photo to my email listed below, or tag me on Instagram at Lelesdesign1. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.